English practice with Lengo cards. 10 kitchen items with examples. Fridge.
The fridge is where I store all of my food to keep it fresh.
Cling film.
Cling film is a type of plastic wrap used for storing food in the fridge.
Glass.
I enjoy drinking orange juice from a tall glass in the morning.
Kettle.
A kettle is a small appliance used for boiling water for tea or coffee.
Sponge.
A sponge is great for cleaning dishes or wiping up spills.
Funnel.
A funnel is a tool used for pouring liquids into containers without spilling.
Toaster.
I like to make toast in the toaster and spread butter on it.
Dish towels.
Dish towels are useful for drying dishes or wiping up spills.
Tongs.
Tongs are helpful for picking up hot items without burning your hands.
Peg.
Pegs are great for hanging clothes on a clothesline to dry.